Hello, my name is Kevin Bose with Bose & Sullivan Tax Group, and let's talk about something that scares the life out of people: getting audited. The truth is, most IRS audits aren't random. The IRS uses a computer scoring system to flag returns that they deem high risk. Here are some common triggers. Unreported income. Now, the IRS already has your W-2s and your 1099s, but if you miss one, their system will catch it. Large deductions compared to income. If something looks out of balance, it gets flagged. Too much travel expense or too much incidental expense for a business. The IRS system uses AI nowadays to generate these particular scores and flag unrecognized patterns and pull your return for audit. If you have consistent losses every year in a Schedule C, it can make it look like a hobby. If there's any inconsistencies or rounded numbers, they can flag you just the same, so precision can build credibility. Now, an IRS audit doesn't automatically mean you did something wrong. It only means that the IRS wants clarification, and this is where professional representation matters. At Bose & Sullivan Tax Group, we handle the audits from you from start to finish. We review your records, we respond to all notices, and we represent you directly in front of the IRS so you don't have to face them alone. Accuracy, documentation, and expert guidance are your best defense. File right, stay consistent, and we will keep you audit ready every year. Call Bose & Sullivan today for a free consultation.